Hi there. Have you seen albino carabao or water buffalo? Come on, let's check this out. There. You see, in Bikol blade culture, we consider bolos with carabao horn hilt as premium blades, but more so if the hilt is made of albino carabao horn. So here are some albino carabaos or water buffalo. I guess we simply have to talk to the owner of this carabaos so that we could get supply of albino carabao horn. Great success. Okay, join me again next time. Please watch my other videos on hiking, outdoors, blade culture, music. Jason here for the ALBINO channel and TMS Talks. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword. Thank you.